Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers, the Ninja Max XL Air Fryer and the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8 Quart Air Fryer. If you are in the market for a new air fryer, you won't want to miss this comparison video. Before we start, remember to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. The Ninja Max XL can hold up to 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, whereas the Chefman TurboFry Touch can hold up to 8 quarts of food, which equates to about 6 servings. If you have a large family or entertain often, the Chefman TurboFry Touch might be a better choice. The Ninja Max XL includes 7 cooking programs such as Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, etc. On the other hand, the Chefman TurboFry Touch comes with 4 cooking presets for golden brown French fries, crispy fried chicken, tender meat, and delicate fish. Both air fryers offer versatile cooking options. The Ninja Max XL uses Max Crisp technology and superheated air to cook food up to 30% faster than the Ninja AF100. The Chefman TurboFry Touch also uses rapid air technology to achieve perfectly crunchy fried results on every ingredient. Both air fryers are efficient in cooking food quickly. The Ninja Max XL basket and crisper plate are both ceramic-coated, non-stick, and dishwasher-safe. The Chefman TurboFry Touch also has a non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe removable parts. Both air fryers are easy to clean. The Ninja Max XL is priced at $149, while the Chefman TurboFry Touch is priced at $129. The Chefman is more affordable and has a larger capacity, making it a great value for those on a budget. There you have it, the Ninja Max XL Air Fryer and the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8 Quart Air Fryer. We hope this comparison video has helped you decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.